My name is Chief Emeka Bekee, the State Chairman, APC River State. And this is Rumo Pase Hall in Elebrada, Emoha. Ward 3, precisely. Unit 4.
Okay, so how will you adjust to this election?
Well, first, election is going on very, you can see the atmosphere is very calm and peaceful. Nobody is doing anything, no security agent, but the election is really calm because this election that will decide the people of the grassroots in the locality, you understand? We have 3 tiers of government, and these are the most important election that will touch the life and the people of the local government. And today this election is going on very, there is no crisis. You can see the election is going on very well in this community. And I expect that it's going to run across the state, that the election is going on very well.
Okay, the absence of policemen in this very process, is it having any negative impact on
Not at all, not at all. You can see everywhere is calm. I think if election will be conducted this way, where there is no security men, I think people will conduct themselves very well and make sure the atmosphere remains calm. You can see nobody's fighting, nobody's dragging ballot box and everything. The election is going on very well.
Are you impressed with the turnout of
Yeah, it's election that is just done a particular state, and I think the turnout is a little bit okay. You don't expect more people to come because of what is happening across the country. People are really hungry.
Okay, as we speak, we gather that some people are already on protest, and precisely they say PDP is protesting somewhere in Port Harcourt. Are you worried over that?
I'm not worried because protest is normal thing. People have the right to protest. It's a situation where people can gather and whatever you want to do. You listen to there's a video has been trending in a couple of weeks now, where the former governor of River State talked about when we were protesting. Then those days he said, look, when he was he's sitting down with his friend drinking 48 years, and today that's not what is happening. People are sitting down drinking kai and watching them protesting. It's not going to happen. PDP from Abinish, they said they're not going to partake in this election. You know that. They've always said that time that they are not part of this election, and it's okay if you are not part of it. Other people will partake in the election.
Okay, lastly, sir, there is this allegation that your faction, the APC in River State, this morning sent some arsonists to burn down the factional office of the party led by Tony Okocha. I don't know if you have heard of such allegation.
I just saw something that is trending on social media. If there's anybody who knows me that I'm not that kind of character. The 2 parties secretariat has been on, and nobody has been able to destroy anyone. I don't think anybody who has done that, I totally condemn that. It's not in my character, and I would never get involved in such thing because I don't believe in that. That is not the best way to go about something. If you have an issue, the court is the place that you go to sort out your problem. I'm not going to be part of that, and I condemn it totally. That anybody who have done that, he's not getting it right. He's not part of us.
Okay. The Deputy Vice Chairman of APC South, Victor Gedem, yesterday disowned APC members who are taking part in this election.
First, what do you expect from a man called Victor? Some people forget yesterday. Some people like that doesn't have character, and I don't want to talk about Victor Gedem. He's my friend before, but we've separated ways. And you should remember that Victor's history in politics of Nigeria will not be written as without right on the road to Michibika Amechi. If he can betray Amechi, what do you expect that he would do to any other person? For me, I don't want to talk about it. The election will take place today. If APC wins election, we'll give glory to God Almighty for giving APC the golden opportunity to partake in this election.
Your name?
Yes. My name is Ambassador Vumba Friday, the coordinator of National Youth Council of Nigeria Moga chapter.
Okay.
I am from Ebeda. My unit is Unit 013. There was an election there, and it was free and fair, credible, very peaceful election. As you can see, at the moment crowd, people turn out to vote their choice. By the grace of God, the result in the unit was announced. The APP candidate won, the person of Honorable Barrister David Chinedu Omreji, and we appreciate that we're looking further across other wards to see the outcome of the result. But with what happened today in Ebena, we are certain of victory.
Okay, so as it is, the issue to an extent is that without the appearance of police at the polling units, that this election will not be peaceful. How are you able to achieve peace in your unit?
We were able to achieve peace through the help of civil defense and the local security and both the absolute leader of the community and their swear. We did a proper sensitization. We have to make a narrative, a change that will affect everybody. We recall ourselves to other and very peaceful. In fact, more than this, there was no time we've not had it this way. Even the past election that we had and police, in presence of police, we had issues, but this was the most peaceful election, even without the police.
Okay, for the records, my name is Evans Bapakaye Bipi, the citizen chairman of the local government area, former chief whip,
Okay, concerning
and
the
the leader of Ugodo.
concerning the ongoing local government election, especially in the town here, tell us how has it been so far? How is the situation like?
So far so good. As you can see, I have just casted my vote. We all know that Gobolo is the most peaceful local government area in the state, and we're not taking that for granted. The election is so peaceful. It's going well. I have not heard, as the chief security officer, I have not heard any complaint of insecurity or crisis from any quarters. So the election is going on well.
So how is the security situation like? We can't see any policemen, but we sighted some civil defense around. Tell us how is the security like?
Well, for the past 2-3 days back, we saw and hear series of court orders, ex parte orders procured by the Minister of FCT wanting to stop this election. Now one may ask, why is it that, why they want the election not to hold? I can simply ask or answer the right way around that. He want to stop the election for his own personal interest. But doing this election today will do more good than harm. About 3 days ago, he procured a court order from Federal High Court. And Federal High Court has nothing to do with state election. This is state election, not national election, where you go to Federal High Court to procure a court order, stopping police not to participate, stopping other agencies not to participate. But as God may have it, we have civil defense here, we have a DSS, we have other paramilitaries, vigilante, and all that. Everywhere is well secured. We don't even. For me, I don't feel the absence of police here. I do not feel the absence of police in this election because the election is going on well. Of course, as I earlier said, Ogobolo is the most peaceful local. So we don't even need the police presence in this election. We don't need them. So I want to also thank him. I'm extending my thanks to SYMFONI for stopping police not to participate because we don't need police in Ogobolo here.
So how would you describe the turnout for today's election?
The turnout is so encouraging. In every election, the starting point is always doubtful, but much later you can see the crowd. Look at my bag, you will see the testimony showing that people really turn out for the election. And you also know that because of the rumors of election not holding, the threat of SYMFONI and his people were a little bit discouraged because I have to come in. I came in 2 days ago, sensitize the people, telling them, giving them the encouragement the election must hold. And they seeing me on ground, go to attest the fact that election will hold. So everywhere is being represented in all the units. You will not just see pocket, but really handful of persons.
So your ward and your unit, please.
My ward?
Ward and your unit.
I am Unit 1, Ward 1, the citizen chairman, the leader of I'm still in PDP anyway, though my party did not participate. Let it be on record, my party did not participate PDP because I'm the caretaker chairman of Ogobolo under the platform of PDP. So I'm the loser. I am the loser, which has made me to lose because my people did not participate.
So you did not vote?
I voted for my choice. Okay. I must exercise my franchise to under political party. I don't need to tell you, but I voted. But my anger is Wike made my people not to participate, which is PDP people. I am of PDP, the only PDP man in Ogbolo. The others are APP. Thank you so much.